Right, so this is the Orion vending machine mounted on the wall, as you can see, and in this machine we dispense 2 ml vending pack and a 1 ml vending pack, and I'm going to show you how to open the machine, how to fill it with vending packs and to close it. So first of all, we have a key. You place the key into the lock there, and while pressing you unscrew, so it's not like a normal key. There's like a nut inside that you have to keep unscrewing. It's a security lock basically. And once you've unscrewed that, it allows the lid to move, as you can see. I'll just put the key down. So I'm going to lift the cover off. You pull it out toward you and lift up, and the cover is removed like this. You'll see on the cover that there's two overhangs here, and those overhangs actually reach into the back of the vending machine there. So this is the vending machine. I've already used some tokens in here, so you see where they drop. So the tokens will actually just drop in this collecting area here, or on this side there. So we want to start loading this up with packs. So we'll put the 1 ml pack into this side. It's a case of just sliding the packs in like this. Now it's a square box, so you can't put it in the wrong way because it's square. And this will hold 12 packs in total. We'll do the same with the 2 ml packs as well. We'll load them in. This machine we're putting 1 ml and 2 ml in, so there's a choice, but obviously you could put all 1 ml or all 2 ml in, depending on what requirements are. So you can see that's pretty straightforward, nothing complicated there. Now there's a mechanism that goes in this machine that stops the machine dispensing once there's no packs in the column. Otherwise you could keep putting tokens in and turning and nothing comes out. So these are called lockout plates. So there's a left-hand lockout plate, which goes into there like that, and there's a right-hand lockout plate which goes into that side there. And what happens is it dispenses the packs and it gets to this lockout plate, it encapsulates this arm and stops the arm operating. So if you put your money in, it won't dispense a pack, and I'll show that in action. So that's just loaded up. So we'll take the cover again, say hook it on the back with these two little slots, and it just lines up again. Get your key, and then again, with it, keeping it pushed down, you screw the lock back on until it's tight, not too tight obviously, and then just take the key out, and there's the machine ready to work. So we're going to take a few tokens. So if it's a 1 ml pack I want, later on obviously we will put a 1 ml and a 2 ml sign on here. Put this token in, dispense it, And there's a 1ml pack dispensed. Same with the 2ml side, and the token dispensed, and there's a 2ml pack dispensed. And you continue doing that, obviously, until all packs are dispensed, so we'll do that. So there's the second one. There's the third one. And the fourth one. 5. 6. 7. Sorry about this, just takes a bit of time. But I want you to see exactly what happens when it dispenses the last pack. 8. 9. 10. 2 more. 11. 12. Now what will have happened now, that lockout plate that we put in the top will have locked over the dispensing arm. So when I put a token in now, you can see it won't turn. So it's telling you that it's actually empty. And that's how you know it's empty. So we'll take these packs off. Open up the unit again. See while the key's pushed in, turn the key around. Lift the unit off. And as you can see here, it's engaged onto the arm and stops it turning. All the tokens can now be retrieved from here for later use, and you just basically lift out your locking plate and then load up more packs like that. So we'll load all of these packs back in. Now as you get 12 packs in each side, we supply 25 tokens with these. So you've got a token spare. We'll put the lockout plates back in and take out the excess tokens. So the machine's as simple as that. It's a little mechanical operation, so it's nice and simple. There's nothing electronic or electric to go wrong. It's mounted onto the wall by 4 screws, and there's 4 rubber washers that go behind the back plate. So if the wall's uneven like this one is, it accommodates that unevenness and allows the front of the vending pack to go on. So I'll put this back on again. As you can see, the 2 hooks there. You can also see the threaded mechanism here that's connected to the key, and that actually screws onto a bar, a threaded bar that's just under there. So again, nice and easy. And hook it onto the back. Just let it fall naturally. Put the key in while pressing down, turn till it goes tight. The reason it's a threaded one is because it's extra secure, so you're not just turning a little metal finger over that can be bent or snapped off. And there's the vending machine, all secure and ready for use. Thank you.